you ever heard something before about being ranked on the first page?
With Airbnb, no.
No? Okay. So that tends to be a popular discussion, right? And it gets back to this SEO discussion and having keywords and all of this other hoopla. Uh, I I refute that, and the reason why is because uh, being on the first page is showing up before a guest actually puts in what they need, right? So from a guest perspective, you're going in to book an Airbnb. The first thing obviously is the location, and then the very next thing after you select your dates, you've got to select how many people are traveling with you, right? So let's just assume you're traveling with 10 people, and you've got two kids. So you're gonna go in and select kids in the filter, and you're looking, for a pack and play for comfort and a high chair, so you won't have to bring yours. And then you can't forget your little cat, right? So you're gonna go into the pet filter, and you're gonna select pets, right? And then you've got a niece in the area that you're traveling to, and you want to have a small event in the backyard while you're there that weekend. So then you're going to go in and look for places that can host events, right? So my point is that it's never where you start, but it's where you finish, right? You can have the greatest SEO in the world when people aren't looking for what they are truly traveling for. But that does not matter when we start to turn on filters and your place doesn't show up anymore. The only thing that matters at that point are the listings that are still there. And that gets back to my point again about being one of a few versus one of everybody else, right? Because I say everybody shows up on the front page because people are scrolling through looking for the best value, right? My accommodations in mind at the right price, and then that's what they get with sort of first page stuff before things get serious. Does that make sense?
Yeah,